The BMW M Performance Fuel Filler Cap Cover Carbon is a visual enhancement of your fuel filler cap to bring the M Performance racetrack feeling into your daily life. You can install it by gluing it onto the fuel filler cap of your BMW. Make sure that the bonding surfaces are clean, dry, and free of grease. First, remove the protective cover of the adhesive surfaces. The minimum application temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Then, fit it over the fuel filler cap of your BMW and press it tight. It will be fully cured after 72 hours. Remove the protective film from the M Performance logo and apply the safety note sticker. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.